On my screen right now, there are results of my client's ad account. And these are the results we've generated over the last 7 months, only in the United States. They have multiple locations, geolocations where we target, where we've expanded. But I'll show you just the stats in the US, because typically that's the biggest market and also the hardest as well. So as you can see, we spend $200K here just in the US, and in the back end for the same time frame we generated $680,000. So I'm just going to refresh it just in case. The data in the Ads Manager could be tricky because of the different attribution inaccuracies and all that, but what matters is the profit and how much we've generated, and I think we did pretty well. Right now we're scaling. We have multiple ad accounts and multiple campaigns running for different audiences, and so the reason why this particular store did so well was because we followed our creative strategy and our testing strategy, which is very simple. We didn't reinvent the wheel here, and it's really just because of running Facebook ads the right way. So in this video, I'm gonna show you the exact strategy we've used to generate over $600,000 with just $200,000 in ad spend. So let's get into this. First, we're gonna talk about the product, and we're gonna talk about the landing pages. So when it comes to running Facebook ads, there are 3 most important things. The first one is the product, or the offer. The other one is the landing page, and the third one is the market. And obviously, everything that all of it is important. But then there's creative, there is media buying, and all that stuff. And without all of these pieces, it's not gonna work. I'm gonna talk about the product. I'm gonna talk about the landing pages. So in this video, I'm gonna talk about the product, the offer, the landing page, and the funnel, the market, the Facebook ad account strategy we've used, the budget we've used, the audiences, the bidding strategy, and also the account structure, and also creatives. So let's start with the product itself. So I'm not gonna show you the exact product or landing page or ads, but I can show you, I can tell you what it is pretty much. So the product is promising the outcome. It's in the functional market. It's very easy to show the difference between other products. So for example, if you had like a shampoo that, for example, could last like 1 year, and most shampoos only last 2 months, and you can like clearly demonstrate it, that would be something to compare this product to. Maybe that's not a good comparison, but that's just kind of the comparison, because you can make videos. It's a lot of the product, the product is actually really good, and because it's really good, there's a lot of social proof. So when people are seeing the ads, they go on the internet to find the proof that the product is good. They see it and they buy it. So that's the biggest thing here, essentially. And then the other thing is the landing page, the funnel. It's very simple. It follows the structure, a video that goes into showing how the product works. It uses some authorities like doctors, celebrities. Those are not really necessary. The only thing that is necessary is how the product works. It uses some video testimonials of people talking about the product, influencers talking about the product. So that's obviously very useful. And the landing page has a lot of elements, like social and trust elements, like different companies that use it, the logos, the famous logos, famous stars in different niches. It has reviews and it has product information, and you can actually add the cart or the product on the page and then buy it. So we upsell some products on a checkout page, in the cart as well, so that helps increase average order value. And this is really not the right average. I'm not sure if there's a average order value here, but it's about like $70 or something. So the account structure we use is very simple. We have a campaign for each geo that goes after like different audience segments, and the most scalable one is going after very broad audience. And now we're just testing different segmentations because yeah, the product can be used. It can be used by a very broad audience, or it can be used also by people that are doing certain activities, certain hobbies. So that's very useful. And then the market is mainly men over 25, I would say, over 30. Yeah, there's some women, but mainly men. And so men are very visual people, and they like to see the product works, how it works. So that's what our best performing creatives are. When we've been running some ads for women, for supplements, for some women products, and ads. We have videos on landing pages, but ads. I mean, actually, no, video ads work for them too, but static ads work for them as well, pretty good. So, but men are visual. They need the proof. They need that the product generates intent. So you just show how the product works, and it generates the intent. Like, wow, this is really cool. I really want this, right? So that's kind of the creative you wanna have. And sometimes it's not possible for certain products, so you have to implement different strategies, and that's where the copy and the outcome-based language and the testimonials and all these things come into play. So yeah, this is pretty much it. We have simple account structure, and we've tested a bunch of different creatives and variations of different creatives. So we've been iterating on the best performers, and as well as we've been creating different creative styles and testing those. We're using mostly highest volume bidding strategy. So it doesn't really, we haven't seen it affecting, when we tested like cost caps, we haven't seen the lift, any big lift. So highest volume works pretty well. So I'll show you again the revenue, right? So this is the previous. The green line is previous, the blue one is this year. So I think we've done pretty well. So yeah, that's pretty much it. We've been scaling consistently, and we're doing really good. The client's very happy. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you run Facebook ads. You can take everything discussed in this video and apply it directly to your store as a part of your ad strategy. And I can guarantee you, if you implement all the things we discussed today, you'll be very successful with your store, because these are the proven techniques we've been using, and they work. They've proven to work time and time again. And if you'd like me and my team to help you run your ads and improve your ROAS, reduce your CPA, we recently actually reduced CPA from $100 to $30 or $35. It took us about 3 months of testing, but right now it's like really working well. We're scaling. If you'd like us to do the same for you, increase your profits, increase your revenue, while keeping the spend the same, or increasing the spend but still increasing your overall profits, click the link in the description, and we can check your ad account, hop on a call, and see how we can help. And thanks for watching. Hit that like button, and see you next one.